Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your keyword rankings from SERP tracking tools step by step clearly. Begin by selecting the SERP tracking tool from which you want to transfer your keyword rankings. Log into your SERP tracking tool account. Navigate to the dashboard where your keyword rankings are displayed. Select the keywords you wish to transfer. Look for an option to export your data, typically found in the settings or menu options. Choose the format for export, such as CSV or Excel, depending on your preference. Download the file to your computer. Next, open your preferred analysis tool or spreadsheet application. Import the downloaded file into your analysis tool. Ensure that the data is properly formatted and all keywords are visible. If needed, clean the data by removing any unnecessary columns or rows. Once the data is formatted, create a new document or spreadsheet for your keyword rankings. Copy the relevant keyword information from the imported file. Paste this information into your new document or spreadsheet. Organize the keywords in a way that makes sense for your analysis. Add any additional columns for tracking metrics such as search volume, difficulty, or current position. Save your newly organized keyword ranking document. Review the file to ensure accuracy and completeness. Use this document to track your keyword performance over time. Regularly update it with new data as needed to maintain an accurate record. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.